Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the sneaker fiend. Now today we're going over the Yeezy 350 V2 in the Marsh colorway. Now before we get into the sneaker, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. With that being said, let's get into the video.
Most of the time when these people be talking, I don't even hear them. They talk and they talk, but I do not hear shit when I'm near them.
The Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Marsh is one of many upcoming Adidas Yeezy colorways that will be releasing throughout 2020. This offering of the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 comes dressed in a Marsh color blocking. It features a bright yellow prime knit upper paired with brown sock liner atop a yellow Boost midsole and translucent outsole. Look for the Adidas Boost 350 V2 Marsh to release on February 1st exclusively on Yeezy Supply. The retail price tag is set at $220. Now, I will be going over my resale predictions, but before we do that, let's just go over the shoe. At first glance, this shoe I am very happy with. I am happy to see the Yeezy 350 line to finally have some color in it. This is not a dull, plain, just boring sneaker. I mean, it's not the most loud shoe, but it's nice to finally see some color in some Yeezys. You got this mustard-like yellow prime knit upper. You got a dark mustard yellow sock liner. Maybe if the sock liner was gray, I think it would look a little better. Or maybe throw in some laces that look like that sock liner. But yeah, your midsole is yellow, with your outsole being translucent white. All the releases are gonna have a reflective stripe, which is pretty dope. I wish they would have thrown some reflective laces. Honestly, these laces just look pretty cheap. They don't even look as thick as some of the other Yeezy laces. Like on my pair of Statics, the quality just looks 1,000 times better compared to these laces. If I get the shoe, I definitely will be doing a lace swap with some reflective laces because I think it would look really dope on this shoe. Now the Adidas stripes in the back are also reflective, so that is a pretty cool touch. But yeah, there's not much to say about this shoe. I do think it's a good colorway. I definitely think it could have been a lot better. You know, some better laces, the heel tab would have made the shoe pop a lot more. Like I said, I'm not a big fan of that mustard yellow lining, but hey, I mean, I still would rock this shoe. I'm still gonna go for the shoe. Now for resale, I don't think this shoe is gonna have much resale. On StockX, it's currently going for $300 to $350. So, and you know, that's like a week before release day. It's gonna drop once it releases, and I see this shoe going for $250 to $275. Like I don't really see that many sizes actually hitting $300 after release day. So I honestly think you're gonna be paying retail to at the highest $275. So yeah, I do like this shoe. Let me know what you guys think of the sneaker. Do you think there's gonna be any resale value in this shoe at all? If so, what are your predictions? Comment down below. Are you going for the shoe as a personal? You gonna try and flip? Are you gonna totally just pass up on this shoe completely? Let me know. Again, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23, as well as the Soul Luxury. With that being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.